Hello students, welcome to your biology class. This is the new chapter, chemical coordination and integration. By this chapter we are going to understand about how the chemicals take role in our body coordination, in body functioning coordinately with each other, with each other organs and with nervous system. Our body is performing different types of functions. So what are those chemicals which can be studied under this? That is the chemical coordination and integration. Students, there are certain glands are known as endocrine glands, and those glands secrete the hormone, and functioning out those hormones is known as endocrine system. Now what the diagram you are seeing, what the diagram you are observing, the different organs, different glands are the endocrine glands. It include endocrine glands and their secretion. Endocrine system ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it includes endocrine glands and their secretion, and that secretion is called hormone. What are hormones here? Hormones are the non-nutrient chemical that act on intracellular messenger and are produced in the trace amount, means in a limited amount is produced, and they are non-nutrient, act as a intracellular messenger in between the cells of the tissue. That is the functions of what? Hormone. And hormone is a secretion of endocrine glands. And in figure what glands you are observing, ठीक है, वो सारे के सारे glands endocrine glands ही होते हैं, right? Now the glands endocrine system includes these endocrine glands what listed in your screen, what you are observing on your screen. Those are the endocrine glands: hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thalamus, adrenal, pancreas and gonad are the 9 endocrine glands in the human body. Okay students, you just write on it as it is. Hypothalamus. Now look at the where is the location of hypothalamus in our body. Yes, hypothalamus, neurosecretory cells it having of the hypothalamus secrete the following hormones: one releasing hormone, another one inhibiting hormones, another one oxytocin and vasopressin are the hormones secreted by hypothalamus. Okay, releasing hormone, stimulating secretion pituitary hormones, gonadotropin releasing hormones stimulate release of gonadotropin from the pituitary are the releasing hormone. Inhibiting hormones inhibit. Now inhibiting hormones, inhibiting means secretion of the pituitary hormones, that is somatostatin. Somatostatin inhibiting releasing growth hormone from the pituitary. Oxytocin and vasopressin, these are transported axonally and stored in the pituitary. The next, the next pituitary human endocrine gland, that is the pituitary gland. It is located in the bony cavity called sella turcica. It attached to the hypothalamus by a stalk. You can see in the figure. Okay. The part of the pituitary, it is divided into two parts: anterior adenohypophysis, posterior neurohypophysis. Anterior means adenohypophysis pituitary, and lower portion, that is the posterior neurohypophysis. Anterior anterior adenohypophysis divided into pars distals and pars intermedia are the two type. You also write this. Okay. Now pituitary pars distal, uh, anterior pituitary anterior pituitary, it produces the following hormones: somatotropin growth hormone, prolactin hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adreno, adre, adrenocorticotropic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. Okay. Then the pars distalis, first hormone, that is the growth hormone. Growth, that is the somatotropin growth hormone for the body growth. Over secretion of the growth hormone causes to gigantism, abnormal growth. Hyposecretion of growth hormone causes ड्रॉफिज्म. ठीक है, अगर वो ज़्यादा हो गया तो भी एक गिग्नेटिज्म प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, अगर कम हुआ तो भी एक ड्रॉफिज्म प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पर हो सकता है. ठीक है. सोमैटोट्रोपिन ग्रोथ हार्मोन over secretion in adult mainly cause middle age, cause to the agromeg- uh, acromegaly, which you can see the face style like this: severe disfigurement, especially face. It lead to serious complication and premature death. Early diagnosis of the disease is difficult. It may be undetected for the many year. Undetected for many year. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, and it will be in a very dangerous. Prolactin regulate the growth hormone, memory gland and milk production. मेमोरी ग्लैंड ಮತ್ತು मिल्क प्रोडक्शन के लिए प्रोलैक्टिन हार्मोन होता है. थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन, स्टिमुलेटिंग सीक्रेशन ऑफ थायराइड हार्मोन फ्रॉम द थायराइड ग्लैंड. Adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulate the synthesis and secretion of steroid hormone, especially glycocorticoid from the adrenal cortex. Then after, follicle stimulating hormone stimulating the gonadal activity in male, FSH, androgen regulation, sperm formation, spermatogenesis in female, FSH stimulating the growth and development of the ovarian follicles. Luteinizing hormones, LH, stimulating the gonadal activity. In male, it is stimulating the synthesis of secretion of androgen from testes, and in female, it induces the ovulation and maintenance of corpus luteum. Pars intermedia is the next. In human, it is almost merged with the pars distalis. It produces melanocytes stimulating hormones, MSH, act on melanocyte to regulate skin pigmentation, color of the skin, we can say it is. The lower portion, that is the neurohypophysis, it store oxytocin, it stores oxytocin and vasopressin hormone and hypothalamus. Oxytocin contract the smooth muscles. In female, it stimulates contraction of uterus at the time of the childbirth and milk ejection from the mammary gland. Vasopressin and antidiuretic hormone is the next hormone, stimulating reabsorption of water and electrolytes by distal convoluted tubule of the kidney and thereby regulate the diuresis, loss of water during the urine. Deficiency of ADH result in the diminution ability of the kidney to conserve the water, leading to water loss and dehydration. This is called diabetes insipidus. This gland will be continue in the next class. Up to pituitary only enough. So I hope you people are understood and write it as it is. Right? Okay. Thank you very much.